Once someone is interested in working with you, the biggest risk is losing momentum between steps. That matters because speed truly impacts whether a lead converts. Research shows businesses that respond within 5 minutes can be up to 100 times more likely to connect with a lead compared to waiting 30 minutes. You've probably experienced this yourself in some way. A consultant loses the lead in a revolving door of emails that drain the project's momentum. A photographer gets stuck in a manual Q&A loop until the client books with a competitor. An agency lets a high-value inquiry stall in scheduling limbo before the contract is even sent. The difference often comes down to how clear the next step feels, and one helpful shift is gathering the right information early. Intake forms can collect important details like project goals, timelines, or creative preferences, so every conversation starts with context instead of back-and-forth emails. Proposals or estimates bring everything into one place: what's included, pricing, and what happens next. When clients can review everything clearly, they are much more likely to accept the proposal and move forward. And automating the handoff can also help keep momentum. For example, email workflows can automatically follow up with additional details, a proposal, or a link to schedule a consultation. You can connect our powerful booking platform, Acuity Scheduling, to book consultations, automate reminders, accept deposits, and check out securely. When a client is ready, the final step should feel simple. Booking a call, accepting a proposal, or paying an invoice or pay link should feel like the natural next click. When every step is clear and concise, it becomes much easier for interested leads to turn into real projects. Your work, your world, powered by Squarespace.